Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your First Direct account from your computer. And now on your computer, first open your preferred browser first, and on the search bar click over here and type in firstdirect.com like this and hit enter, or just simply search for First Direct login like this and hit enter. Both ways you will end up on the same page. You can see the website. It's www.onefirstdirect.com, as well as the same result in the search Google search. Now let's accept all the cookies, and now to log in to your First Direct account, you can see the online banking option over here. Click over here, and now after that enter your username over here, and on the next step enter your password, and you will be able to log into your First Direct account. And if you have forgotten your password, click over here to reset your password. And if you have not yet registered for a First Direct bank account, click on here to register for it. And there guys, this is how you log into your First Direct account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.